Good guys, we will continue with our linear graphs. All right, so we have this question. Given that a line 2 bracket ax minus y equal to negative 4 passes through the point 8, 2, find the value of a. Okay, some students, when they see this, they straight away tell me that, oh, your gradient is a, and then your y-intercept is negative 4. No, 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 no. You can't assume that, okay, until you get your y equal to mx plus c. All right, where m is your gradient, your c is your y-intercept, and your y, the coefficient of y must be 1. Okay, all right. So in order to do that, right, we shall make sure that we make y subject of formula, right, in the form of y equal to mx plus c. We have to make into this form, from this form. Okay, let's get going. So what we have is your 2 bracket ax minus y equal to negative 4. All right, so what we have is ax minus y equal to negative 4 divided by 2. That will give you negative 2. All right, so yep, and after that what happened? We know it's negative 2 there, so your negative y bring over here, so it's y, and ax minus 2 bring over become plus 2. So make it nicer, so y equal to ax plus 2. This is your straight line equation. All right, now we are required to find the value of a. Then passes through the point is, so we substitute this point, this coordinate here. Okay, your 8 is your x, your 2 is your y, right? So 2 equal to a is the one that we want to find. X is 8 plus 2. Okay, that means 8a equal to positive 2 bring over become 2 minus 2, so 0, right? So a equal to 0 divided by 8 is 0. That means your equation is y equal to a0 is a0, so 0 times x is still 0, so y equal to 2. Yep, this is your equation of your straight line graph, right? You have found your a. Okay, now just for the sake of solving a little bit further, how are we going to draw this? What does it mean actually, right? It means your gradient is 0, because we know from our equation here, right, your coefficient of your x is a, right? It means a is your gradient. When gradient is 0, right, when you want to draw your straight line, okay, it will be something like this. Okay, let me just quickly draw for you a right straight line graph. Okay, so this is your y, this is your x, right? This is your point of origin 0. When y equal to 2, how are we going to draw? It will be a absolutely straight line. Okay, because this point is 2, right? So your graph y equal to 2 is parallel to the x-axis, right? Fair enough. That means this is where your gradient m is equal to 0. But if it's a vertical line, right? Imagine this is a straight line here, okay? And just show you this one, okay? Okay, just imagine this is let's say this is positive 1, right? Positive 1 there. So this will be your blue line will be x equal to 1, right? Where your gradient is undefined. Undefined means infinity. Okay, fair enough. And the other way to see this also, right? Let me zoom this out. When I say y equal to 2 is parallel to the x-axis, right? Okay, it means that regardless of the value of x, regardless of the value of x can be anywhere on the x-axis. Imagine there's negative 2, this is negative 1, right? So this coordinate here will be negative 2 comma 2. This coordinate here will be negative 1 comma 2. What is constant? 2 is constant, right? Regardless of the value of x, y will always be equal to 2. n. Let's say for the blue line, okay, let's say this is 1. This coordinate will be 1 1. Okay, this one is negative, let's say negative 2. This coordinate will be 1 comma negative 2, right? What is constant? Imagine this 3, right? This coordinate will be 1 comma 3. What is constant? Your x is constant. That's why your blue line here is x equal to 1. Simple, right? That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.